The sister Bella and it's sister Lana and we're the sisters. So today we're going to make slime. We have glue, food coloring, and Tide and SLiME solution. I don't know how to say it, but well, it's going. So first we're going to be adding our glue. Mommy, do we add all of it or
yes,
some?
all of it.
Mommy, all of it?
Bella knows, I guess.
Yeah, all of it, I think.
Trial and error. We're going to do trial and error. We're going to use the whole thing.
Sorry guys if I put it in my mouth. It's just because it was harder because my hands are more slippery because I just washed them.
Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
Wait, we're gonna screw it.
The top because it's more faster. Can you?
Oh my god, you guys, look at
Bella,
that.
can you please?
She needs help. Wait, let me do mine and then I'll do yours.
Okay.
So much glue, you guys. And tomorrow, tonight, we're going to do it at 3 a.m. because we also have another glue.
I hidden them from her.
Okay, so
I got it.
Three, two. So oh my god, you guys just saw that big bubble that came out of it, like, woo! It burped.
I'm just gonna look.
It'll, like, for her glue and my glue mixed together. Well, not mixed together. Well, like, for like the whole thing to get empty, it'll take like 2 hours. Do you want to
Okay, that's good.
Okay. So now we're gonna add our Tide.
No, we have SLiME solution.
First, we're gonna add our Tide.
Mommy, what's next?
Need some help?
Yeah. Now we're gonna add our Tide. So I'm just going to pour it, but I'm gonna be very, very careful. You might wanna have a parent with you when you do it, the Tide. But we just have to get through this because we gotta go to sleep. Because we have school tomorrow. So